Hey guys, welcome back to Alley Chat. So you're being called to work on a TV show, a single cam 30-minute comedy. What does that mean? I hope you take it. Don't worry about it, I got you. Today I'm gonna tell you all about the different aspects of TV shows and how they're shot. Well, let's state the obvious. 30 minutes is the length of the TV show on air. Comedy is obviously the genre, but let's get into what single cam versus multicam means. Well, Allie, what do you mean there's more than one camera? Single cam stands for single camera. It's a pretty misleading term, as such shows are usually filmed with more than one camera. The key element is that the show is shot much more like a film, without a live audience. With a single camera setup, you can explore a wider angle of the environment. Examples are basically everything that's on TV, as it's a much more common way of shooting nowadays. Modern Family, Schitt's Creek, New Girl, Fresh Off the Boat, just to name a few. Multicam stands for multi-camera, which is more fast-paced and shot in front of a live audience. It's a much more traditional way of shooting TV shows. They have a more limited point of view and confined angles, kind of like you're sitting in the live audience yourself. Examples of multicam TV shows are I Love Lucy, Roseanne, and The Big Bang Theory. While we're at it, let's talk about episodic versus sitcom and what a pilot is. No, this is not Top Gun. We're not flying anything here. A pilot is commonly the first episode that is aired of a series. The episode that gets the series off the ground. And the episode that usually determines if the network even wants the series. Think of it sort of like a sales pitch. They're so important that pilots even have their own season. There are two main types of TV shows, episodic and sitcom. There are a lot more, but I don't want this video to be 10 minutes long. Episodic is consisting of a series of loosely connected parts or events. Shows that you have to watch the episodes in order that they air to know what's going on. A good example is Game of Thrones. Yeah, try jumping in the middle of that and figure out what's going on. Sitcom is short for situational comedy. It's a type of comedy show where the characters and the environment remain pretty much the same, with the exception of some guest stars here and there. My best example would be Friends. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Sorry. That's all the terminology I have for you today. Tune in next week, and the next week, and the week after that. You know what? Just hit the subscribe button below and turn on your notifications so you'll never miss a video. See you next week. Yay!